this morning my rug just arrived. It didn't come for like a whole month almost. So they kept saying it was delayed, and then they said that it was damaged in transit during delivery, so they had to send me another one. But then just today, when it was delivered and I went out to get it, I got two of them. So I don't know if like they lost the first one and then like they found it while they were trying to deliver this one, or if they actually sent two later on. So I don't know. But anyways, I'm just gonna open this one and see how it looks and like how it lays out and stuff. But yeah, I'm so excited. Yay. So I just got the rug in under the couch. I think that's good enough. I have it halfway under the couch, and then the rest is just like this, and it gives me like a little walkway to be able to get to the balcony door. Yeah, so this is how it's looking right now. The other updates I guess I can kind of go through right now is this glass table, coffee table. I gotta put it back. It's so heavy, but it's so pretty. Actually, let me put that back and then I'll talk about it. This is the coffee table. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It kind of has like a green tint to it, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that part, but I think it's okay for now. Especially like when I get a different couch, I feel like that'll be okay. But yeah, so that's how it is. And then I got these coffee table books, Psalms of Proverbs, and they're actually books like you can actually read. So I thought that'd be better than getting like you know, the regular coffee table books that you can't really read. They're just there for show. But instead I got something that you can actually pick up and read when you want to. So yeah, I got both of those, and I thought, you know, it'd just be good for like a quick read. And then another update is I got a plant, my first plant, or my first alive plant, I guess. I got that from IKEA actually, and it's pretty cute. I have it here for now. I might move it later once I decide like what I want to do with this area, but I might keep it as well, so I don't know yet. But yeah, it's cute. I feel like IKEA has a lot of good plant options. And then here, excuse the mess, these flowers are like dying, but I got this table right here. Yeah, for the entryway. This is the doorway, so just have this right here. Kind of gives it a purpose, I guess. And those are just like art supplies that I got a while ago. But yeah, and then I have a plant here, or flowers actually. I have flowers here that are dying, so I kind of need to switch that out. But yeah, I kind of want to do something very simple here, so like I can throw my keys or like whatever it is when I am coming through the door. I don't know if I want to get like artwork here or if I want to put a mirror. I'm leaning towards a mirror, but it depends. It depends what I want to do with like some of the other places, so it's just gonna have to wait and see on that one. But I thought it would just be nice to have something here in the entryway. But yeah, and then that is the second rug that I got for no reason at all. I might use it actually in the bedroom because the one in there sheds and I hate that. So inside the box that I had already opened are actually glasses, cups. I'm so excited. Let's see how these are. This is I believe, it's 12 piece. Dang, why did I think it was 8 piece? Maybe there was an option and I just forgot to press 8. Ooh, that's a lot. But there's 12 glasses in here. They're so cute and very small. I did not expect the small one to be this small. But this is the bigger one, which is still pretty cute. And then finally, I got some pillows for the couch. Uh-oh. Okay, I think there's 2 in here. And I'm sure it's gonna take a little while to kind of fluff up, so I'm gonna take all of these out and let them do their thing. For the pillows, I also got the covers. I was hoping, oh no, these are all dark. This is supposed to be the lightest color, and I thought this was more like that very light cream, kind of like the throw blanket that I have, but this is more like the couch. That's not what I wanted. And then I got this straightening brush. This is another box. This is the lace. So cute. Okay. I don't know why the box seemed so small, but this is actually a good size. So. Yay. I'll probably undo the, probably like redo it later, but it's really pretty. It doesn't look like too fake. Well, the greens look pretty fake, but it's okay. It's not bad for just a decorative piece. It's supposed to be 6 feet tall, and I am not even close to 6 feet tall, so it's kind of concerning that it's shorter than me. But let's open it up and see what is happening. So this is like a fake olive tree, and supposed to be 6 feet. I'll put that order at least. Excuse all the mess, but this is what it's looking like. It's kind of, ooh, okay, let's put it, I think I'm gonna put it in that corner. So let's try to get it there and see what happens. once I get a pot for it, maybe like I'll get a bigger one so it covers majority of the bottom part so it doesn't look so thin. I might keep it here, I might move it somewhere else, I'm not sure. Oh my god. I made it so small. Oh. So this actually matches the couch pretty well. But oh my gosh, look how much smaller it made it. That is so crazy. I can't. This is original. These are the ones inside of the cover. No, I can't. No. I like the bigger one. Yeah, I think I like the bigger ones. So I'm definitely gonna have to return these covers and get maybe like the same size or like one size in between. So I just got groceries and it's not a lot, but I can't believe how expensive groceries are. It's so ridiculous, especially like trying to get organic produce and things like that. It's so crazy. But for 3 bags it was like 100 something. I'm like, it's not even that much stuff there. So I got this little plant stand thing with the plants as well, and the planters from my sister as a housewarming gift. So I've kind of been opening those up and kind of putting them where they're supposed to be. I've already made such a huge mess, but I'm on the last one, and this one is the planter is supposed to be inside, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna open that up and see what it looks like. But it's so pretty. So pretty. So that is how this one, I believe, is called Lucky Bamboo. So it's a bamboo plant. I forget the names of the other ones, but it's like something trio, so they all came together. But yeah, this is how it's looking so far. I just got my TV stand actually delivered, literally just like right now. There's that, and then what I'm most excited about, the mirror just got here. It is so beautiful. Originally I wanted the mirror to be where the tree is, but I kind of like the tree over there, so I feel like it's a little too big for the space, but at the same time, like, it does like open it up, kind of makes it feel bigger over here. It's so pretty. I can't wait to build this out and just have everything kind of come in together. So I have all the pieces out of the boxes. The boxes were pretty hard to open, but I have them all out, laid out, ready to go. I'm going to be like working right here for the drawers and stuff like that. That's the first thing that I'm going to have to build. So yeah, I'm about to just start working on this. I don't have any tools as of right now, so I'm just going to hope that this works out, honestly, because I do not have any type of tools or anything with me. So yeah, this is gonna be pretty interesting to say the least.